Hey, this is Coach Derek from Kikfit Training with another episode of the Become Your Own Gym series, and today I'm going to show you a basic kettlebell workout to utilize your upper body and lower body, get a bit of cardio at the same time. The first exercise is going to be the double arm swing ups, where you grab the kettlebell in the center, get into a wide squat posture, swing it through your legs and up to your forehead, just like this. Make sure you bend with your legs into a deep squat and raise it up to your forehead. After 10 reps, we'll switch to a single arm. After 10, we alternate at the top position to single arm swing ups. After 10 of these, back to a double arm for 10 more. And after 10 more, you'll do upright rows under the chin for 10 more, followed by a squat press, a little closer. Touch the elbow to the knee and press it up as high as you can for 10 more, and then finish again with the double arm swing ups for the last 10. And that is a basic kettlebell total body workout so that you can become your own gym anywhere, anytime. This is Coach Derek, and I'll see you next time.